Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic, how to apply for a job at McDonald's. So right now you will be on make sure Google, and in the search engine you will be just type McDonald's jobs. So right now I will be in my country Pakistan, so it will be shown in jobs like in Pakistan location areas. So right now this is the job posting, senior manager quality. So I want to just tap on it. So this is the full-time job, as you can see. Don't worry, if you are live in UK or US, you will just type the McDonald's jobs. So it will be just collect the location from your IP and you'll be shown that jobs. So I want to just tell them apply directly on Pakistan couriers. I want to just tap on it as well after completely load. So these are the all details of the McDonald's jobs. When you read it, and you will just have to create your CV from this hr@mcdonalds.com.bk. So that's it. In this way you'll just have to apply for a job at McDonald's. Thank you.